What's going on, people? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got some mods happening for the VXR. It's a lovely day, so the sun's out and we're going to be fitting some stuff. So here is what you've got. This is the stud conversion for the car. See, 20 of them and 20 nuts. Got some 5mm shims, spacers, whatever you want to call them. And then we have the OPC fog surrounds, which should look pretty sick on the car. I'm going to go over these with some of this plastic trim dressing just to try and make them look a bit more shiny. They're a bit matte, a bit of a matte colour. You can see that there's some marks on there. I'm going to clean these up, put some plastic trim dressing on there. Hopefully they'll look pretty sick. With this stuff, I forgot to mention in the last video, obviously if you want to check out Squeaky Lee's, I'll leave a link in the description to their website, and if you use code JustMike, you'll get discount at checkout as well, so go and check them out. So with that, first thing we'll do is the fog surrounds, and then so we'll get the bumper off and fit them. So getting the bumper off, there's just these 4 bolts along here. Get the top off, don't have any underneath, and then see just one here, and then there's one a bit further up there. So side ones are Torx bit, these ones are just 8mm. I don't have any underneath because I don't have an unges tray anymore, so let's do that. So as you can see, the bumper's now off. Obviously the car's looking bare, but yeah, bumper's now off. Need to take these out. See, I did spray these, but there's like chips and all the rest of it, and obviously on the new ones they've got the bigger fins on them, so we'll show you how to get these off. I'll tell you how to get these off, then we'll compare the two and then fit the new ones. So over here, so clip in around here. There's one clip there, clip there, clip there, clip here, and there's one underneath here somewhere. So you need to pry these out with a screwdriver, or press with a flathead screwdriver would probably be best. Do that, and then they should just pop out. Voila, one fog light surround. Now we'll do the same with the other side and we'll compare them. Right, so obviously these are the old ones and these are the new ones. So you can see a massive difference here. If I move this, that one there, and that one there, you can see the difference. The bigger fins, obviously where I've sprayed this and got the chips on them, but I've put the plastic dressing on this. Looks so much better. There we have it, new Vxr rounds. Right, so as you can see, bumper's back on, and they're the new Vxr rounds. They look so much better with these bits along the side and the matte black colour. Looks so much better. Transformer car. So that's that done. So mod number 2 is these. So the stud conversion. Now I haven't fitted these before, but I've been told to use Loctite on this bit, like screws into the hub, and then apparently they torque up to about 25 Newton meters, I think they said. I asked some guys on the Vxr page on Facebook, and some helpful people gave me some advice. So we'll get the car jacked up in the air and then go from there. Right, so as you can see, got the car jacked up, wood underneath. I need to get some ramps because I bought the jack because it's a low profile one, but even though it's low profile, it still doesn't go under. Well, it goes under, but where the side skirts come down, it's, if you've got one you'll know what I mean, but the side skirts come down lower than where the jacking point is, so it's got to go on the wood for now. But yeah, so taking the locking mount out already, so let's get this wheel off and then we'll start with the first set of studs. Right, so as you can see, the studs will go in these holes, and then put some Loctite on, tighten them up, and then while it's waiting for it to set, I'm going to clean these because obviously white calipers. Right, so got a Loctite, lock thread, lock, whatever it's called. So I'm just going to put some of that around the stud and then screw it into there like that. So let's get it Loctite on, put that in there, screw that up. Right, get this. So there's one side done, and the studs, they're all in, all got Loctite on them. I haven't done them up like stupidly tight, because obviously I haven't got a torque wrench, but apparently it's only about 25 newton meters, so it's not a lot of force, but they seem to be in alright. So that's it. So I've also got these, so let's see if these will go over the studs. It should slide over there like that, flat against the hub. So I wanted some spaces, but I didn't want to get ones that are too big, because all I want to do is just fill the arch gap a little bit, just for it to come out a bit more. So 5 more spaces should do the trick. So wheels back on, as you can see, studs are on, the bolts are in, and spacers are in there, 5mm spacers. Seems to be fine, no movement. Just got to wait a little bit longer, leave the Loctite to set a little bit. But yeah guys, that's how it's looking. Looks a lot better. Looks a lot better, as you can see. Stud conversion, and the spacers are in there as well. 5mm spacers, same all round. Studs on there, the spacers. You can see it doesn't make much of a difference, but it does a bit. Just makes the fills the arch gap a little bit. Just so you can see. I'm well happy with it, to be honest. It looks sick. Looks sick. And then obviously at the front, got the new fog surrounds. The IPC ones, as you can see. They look fresh, look so much better than the other ones. So yeah, successful day. So as you can see, we've done all the mods to the VXR, done the IPC fog surrounds, the stud conversion and the 5mm spacers. I'm really happy with how it looks, so it looks sick. I took the car for a test drive just to make sure everything was alright. Checked the torque on the wheels and that, and all seems to be fine. So if you enjoyed this, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe if you want to keep up to date with all the mods that I do on the car, and just want to say I appreciate all the support on the videos. So that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next one.